Have you ever wondered why, despite all the sweat, effort, and hours spent in the gym, so many beginners just don't see the results they're hoping for? It's a common story. You walk into the gym full of motivation, ready to transform your body, but after weeks or even months, the gains just aren't showing up. In fact, studies and gym surveys show that nearly 80% of new gym-goers end up missing out on the muscle growth and strength gains they're working so hard for. Why is that? Is it bad genetics, not enough effort, or maybe the wrong workout plan? Actually, the answer is much simpler, and it's something most people overlook entirely. The real secret to unlocking your full potential in the gym isn't just about what you do during your workout, it's about what you do immediately after. That's right, your post-workout nutrition is the game changer. You can have the best training program in the world, but if you're not fueling your body properly after you train, you're leaving a ton of progress on the table. Think of your workout as the spark, but your nutrition is the fuel that keeps the fire burning and helps your muscles grow bigger and stronger. Let's break it down. When you finish a tough workout, your muscles are in a unique state. They're depleted, they're tired, and they're literally hungry for nutrients. Imagine your muscles as sponges, ready to soak up whatever you give them. This is the perfect time to feed them what they need to recover, rebuild, and grow. If you skip this crucial step, you're missing out on one of the most powerful opportunities to make gains. After you've pushed yourself to the limit, whether it's lifting heavy, crushing a HIIT session, or grinding through cardio, your muscles are screaming for fuel. They're not just tired, they're actively breaking down, and they need the right building blocks to repair and come back stronger. This is when your body is primed to absorb nutrients and put them to work, turning your hard effort into real, visible results. So, what should you actually eat after your workout? This is where a lot of people get confused. Should you go for a protein shake, a full meal, or just grab whatever's convenient? The answer is simple, but powerful. You need a combination of protein and carbohydrates. These two nutrients work together like a dream team to kickstart your recovery and maximize your gains. Protein and carbs, the ultimate duo for muscle growth and recovery. Protein provides the essential amino acids your muscles need to repair and build new tissue, while carbohydrates replenish the glycogen stores you burned during your workout. Without enough carbs, your body can't fully recover, and without enough protein, your muscles can't rebuild. It's that simple. You don't need anything fancy or complicated. Think about a classic meal like grilled chicken and rice, or if you're in a hurry, a protein shake blended with a banana. These options are quick, easy, and packed with the nutrients your body craves after a tough session. The key is to keep it simple and consistent. Don't overthink it. Just make sure you're getting both protein and carbs in your post-workout meal. Timing is everything. You've probably heard about the anabolic window, that magical period right after your workout when your body is most receptive to nutrients. While the science has evolved, there's still a lot of truth to the idea that eating soon after you train can make a big difference. Aim to get your post-workout meal or shake within 30 minutes of finishing your workout. This is when your muscles are most primed to absorb nutrients and start the recovery process. Think of this 30-minute window as your golden opportunity. It's like a door that opens wide for a short time, letting in all the nutrients your body needs to recover and grow. If you wait too long, that door starts to close and you miss out on the full benefits of your hard work. So, make it a habit. Finish your workout, and then refuel as soon as possible. If you skip your post-workout meal, you're not just missing a meal, you're missing out on gains. All that effort you put in at the gym won't translate into muscle growth if you don't give your body the tools it needs to rebuild. Don't let your hard work go to waste. Make your post-workout nutrition a non-negotiable part of your routine. And let's clear up a common myth. Don't be afraid of carbs. Carbohydrates are your body's main source of energy, especially after a workout. They help refill your muscle glycogen stores, which means you'll have more energy for your next session and recover faster. Pair your carbs with a quality protein source, and you've got the perfect recipe for muscle growth and recovery. Protein is where the real magic happens. It's the building block of muscle, and after a workout, your body is craving it. Whether you get your protein from a shake, chicken, fish, eggs, or plant-based sources, make sure you're getting enough to support your goals. Aim for at least 30 grams of protein in your post-workout meal to maximize muscle repair and growth. Want to take your progress to the next level? It's not just about lifting heavier or training harder, it's about being smart with your recovery. Consistently nailing your post-workout nutrition will help you recover faster, build more muscle, and see results sooner. It's the difference between spinning your wheels and truly leveling up in the gym. Looking for ways to make your post-workout meals even better? Add some variety and extra nutrients by tossing in berries, Greek yogurt, or a handful of nuts. These foods provide antioxidants, healthy fats, and extra protein, all of which support recovery and overall health. Plus, they make your meals more enjoyable and satisfying, so you'll look forward to refueling after every workout. The real secret to long-term success is consistency. Make post-workout nutrition a regular part of your routine, not just something you do once in a while. Try meal prepping your post-workout meals for the week, or keep a stash of protein shakes and healthy snacks in your gym bag. Track your progress with photos, keep a food journal, and celebrate your wins along the way. The more consistent you are, the faster you'll see results. Remember, it's not just about chasing the pump or getting a quick sweat, it's about fueling your body for real, lasting progress. Every time you finish a workout, think of it as an opportunity to get better, stronger, and closer to your goals. Don't just chase the pump, fuel the pump and watch your gains multiply. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and join our community of motivated lifters who are all about making gains the smart way. Share your favorite post-workout meals in the comments, connect with others on the same journey, and let's keep pushing each other to new heights. Remember, your journey doesn't end when you leave the gym, it's just beginning. Let's keep those gains coming together.